Welcome to the first edition of Plasser and Theurer Aktuell TV. From now on, you will find here news and information from around the world, regularly, concisely and at the touch of a button. Formation rehabilitation. The fact that the substructure can be improved at reasonable cost can be demonstrated by two examples. Both machine concepts serve the same objective: top quality work and versatility, with the lowest possible hindrance of train services.
The very latest development is the PM1000 URM. This is the concept. 3 excavating chains enable a very selective excavation of the old substructure. The material can be screened and recycled to a greater extent. Part of this material is treated in a completely new process for use as the so-called intermediate layer. This has the effect that the amount of new material is reduced and there is less excavated material to be taken away and disposed of. The second new machine design is the RPM RS900. The advantage of this machine is the ability to alternate almost seamlessly between formation rehabilitation and ballast cleaning. Often the type of substructure changes within a worksite, so that it is not possible to perform uninterrupted rehabilitation. Then the RPM RS900 changes its working mode and in this way reduces the requirement of new material and the quantity of spoil to be disposed of.
Reducing costs for track laying and track maintenance. Really effective employment of existing assets also includes the need for preventive measures. One such preventive measure is regular cleaning of the track ballast. Ballast fouling can cause a number of problems. Combined machines for ballast bed cleaning can help to solve the problem, especially from the point of view of cost efficiency.
France, the land of the famous TGV high-speed trains and speed records, has operated high-speed lines for more than 30 years. The RM900 HD100 was developed to maintain the quality of the ballasted track to a high standard. Up to 1,000 meters of ballast track are cleaned at night in only 6 hours of track closure. The RM900 achieves this thanks to numerous technical features such as self-propulsion for speeds up to 100 km per hour, multi-layer ballasting with dynamic stabilization of the track and addition of new ballast. This means that even after short track closures during the night, it is possible to resume services with the TGV high-speed train in the morning.
From the French high-speed lines, we'll go swiftly to our short reports. Brazil. Last year Metro São Paulo took delivery of several machines, including a catenary renewal machine. This machine was designed especially for the complete assembly of fixed catenary in the numerous tunnels and works in combination with the motor tower car, which is also new. In Kirkenes, Norway, there are plans to recommence open-pit mining of iron ore after a break of 13 years. A Plasser Theurer tamping machine, type 0716B, is being used to refurbish the track installations, which were neglected during that time. This machine has been in operation in Scandinavia since 1979 and is now the most northern tamping machine in the world. New Zealand. An electrician at New Zealand Railways built a model of the Unimat 08 4754S on a scale of 1 to 12 out of mechanoparts. It took him about 5 years to complete the construction, and the finished model is 180 centimeters long. Realistic movements of the tamping units are possible with the help of electric motors using remote control. Full mechanization of track laying and track maintenance has long become reality. However, in order to best utilize all features of the machines, it is necessary to receive thorough training, and ideally with the maximum amount of practical instruction. Training centers and international training programs provides the essential know-how.
The training center in Bingen, run by Deutsche Plasser. Here, the machine operators of the future listen to various lectures, because despite the emphasis on practical training, it is still essential to have basic technical knowledge about engineering and hydraulics. But soon afterwards, everyone is sitting in front of the simulators and putting the information just learned into practice. From the ALC, automatic guided computer, and all computer-assisted measuring and control systems, right up to the data recording unit, all sequences are demonstrated and practiced. But not only in the training center. Courses are also held on location for machine operators, service technicians and site managers. Besides the maintenance and spare part service, this distribution of knowledge is part of the overall system to ensure that the machines are used in operation as efficiently as possible.
At the end of this edition of Plasser and Theurer Aktuell TV, let's take a look at the IAF, International Exhibition for Track Technology. This extremely important event was held for the third time in Münster, Germany, and again set new records.
Over 25,000 visitors found their way to the exhibition and were not disappointed. 177 exhibitors from 15 nations presented their latest technologies on an exhibition area of more than 23,000 square meters. Plasser and Theurer's presentation was focused on the concept of further improving quality and cost efficiency by developing combined machine systems and through optimal coordination of the work sequences. A real eye-catcher was certainly the 0916 CSM, owned by a Japanese company. The sound protection walls at the sides were covered with huge colorful photos of alpine landscapes.
Finally, I'd like to draw your attention to the next big event coming soon, the InnoTrends 2010. I hope we'll be seeing you in Berlin in September. You will find us in Hall 26, stand 220. Until then, thank you for your interest and goodbye.